Sejam bem-vindos a todos ao canal Minha Jornada como que é. Aqui estamos mais um dia de maio. Hoje é o dia 22. Vou alterar aqui. Continuar estudando no nosso framework do cara que tem. Parei aqui nesse vídeo iniciante. Então, eu vou ver aqui uma documentação.
Imagine criar um aplicativo com a sua assinatura, só pelo dedo da imagem.
Sabia você que é desenvolvedor pleno, sênior, 2 anos de carreira, não precisa se mudar de país para trabalhar.
Hello and welcome to this session. We can add all our test pieces or test files and then all the resources related to our tests we can put in SRC test resources folder. So I will go to SRC test Java now. Hello and welcome. Part 25. all this customize perspective, reset perspective, all these options are here. And here you can also see the appearance. So you can hide status bar, toolbar, or next. And then we have to give a group ID and artifact ID. Group ID I can say form.karate.temple. The different packages and folders. And then to see a form.xml file. So this is a file where we can manage all our dependencies. So here we have done step number 2. Step number 3 is provide the project details and create the project that we have already done and our project. And now we have to go to our form.xml file and add all these data. Or libraries for karate. So here, this is the file. Where we can add our dependencies, and because it's the Maven project, we have to add the karate Maven dependencies, and for that you can just go to Maven Central. I will say Maven repository or neutral, anything will work. So here, karate code, karate Apache, and karate unit code. Now karate, if you have karate code, you may skip karate Apache for now. Let me just see. I will say Maven repository or neutral, anything will work. So here we need karate code, karate Apache, and karate unit code. Now karate, if you have karate code, you may skip karate Apache for now. Let me just see. This is my Maven repository, and I will search for karate here. It show me all the options. Karate code, karate Apache, and karate. Let me first go to this one. The code, and you can whatever is the latest version at my time. So this is the latest version 101. You go here, and you can see we have this Maven, we have Gradle, FTP, and others. But you will go to Maven and just copy this dependency and put your form.xml, and here we see the dependency section. So just before the project and tag, give some space. I'm pressing enter key to add some spaces, and then here give a start and end tag for different. It also give you auto selection. This is the dependency. Dependency start and dependency end. Again, let me enter and take some space for adding the dependency. Now in this dependency tag, I will just copy the dependency which is copied from Maven repository, which is karate code. You can see here, it is how we just add it here. And also, if you want to correct the formatting or indentation, you can select everything, pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard, and then press Ctrl I. It will correct the indentation. And now you can see, as of now, there is no folder for Maven repository here. But as soon as I will save my project, you will see it will read the form.xml file, and all the dependencies will be added to the project. So let me just save. You can save from here. You can save from here, or that.
Já não deixar lá pro save aqui, não tá funcionando. Fica dando Ctrl E. Cool.
From here, we have file and save. Or you can just press Ctrl F, and you can see as soon as I save, we have got a Maven dependencies column or section here, and all the dependencies that we have put in your form.xml will come here. So you can see all our dependencies that we need are there. Karate code is now here. And this is very handy if I have to take this project to any system or any different location. I do not have to again do all the setup. I just have to save and build my project. therefore save my project and form the XML to take care of all the dependencies. Again, if I have to use any different version tomorrow, I will just have to make the changes here and that's it. I will save and everything to them. Sometimes if by saving it does not get all the dependencies or resolve all the dependencies, then you can just go to project and say clean and say build. So I will say clean and here it will clean the project. Then I will say dot. And then you just save. So it will again build automatically. So just in case the save option does not generate the dependencies, you can do a clean and build. So the next thing we need is we need karate JUnit as well. So let me also get the master one. Go here and also a karate new folder or a new tab. This is karate apartment, this is the latest version. This time we copy this. Add it to my form.xml. The same thing I will do with JUnit, karate JUnit. I will get the latest version. And this here. Do this. JUnit, karate JUnit. I'll get the latest version, copy and paste here. Here, all these have come here. So karate JUnit, karate Apache, and have come here. I will select everything and have control I. There are some errors. Let me very quickly check this. It says, okay, this should be, this looks okay. Let me again see. Or let me just close it. Yeah, looks like it is okay now. And everything is done. We have done step number 4. We have added all the latent dependencies. We have also saved our project, that is step number 5. And we have a folder for latent dependency. With this, we have completed our project setup. And now we are ready to create our first API test. And this is exactly what we will do. I hope this was useful for you. I will see you in the next session. Thank you for watching and have a talk learn.
My work is easy because I use Click.
Hello and welcome to this session. I'm Dr. from Automation Step by Step and it's full of. Okay, so I will go to my Eclipse and this is the project that we have already created. And here you can see we have all these folders and packages already created. We also added our dependencies in the form.xml file in our earlier session. Now you can see there is a folder src test java, which is where we can add all our test cases or test files and then all the resources related to our test in the image resources folder. So I will go to src test java. Now inside this you can do a right click and say new and say file, so you can create a new file directly, or you can also create a new folder first. So I will do a right click and say folder or a package. I will go to folder and say tests, so I know all my tests are inside this folder and say finish. And now inside this test folder, I will again do a right click, new file, and I will save it as name it anything. I will say first test and then give an extension dot feature. So there say dot feature because this is going to be our BDD feature file. Then give any name with extension dot feature and say finish. Now at this moment, in my case, you are seeing that it changes the icon to a cucumber BDD icon for its feature file, and it also gives me some sample data here. In your case, if you do not get this, do not worry. This is because I have already added a cucumber plugin so that it can recognize the files with.
Tá, deixa eu ver por aqui. Não tô muito bem. Então, já por aqui, amanhã a gente tá aqui de novo. Eu vou estudar melhor esse karatê. Eu tô com dificuldade pra entender o admito aqui. Talvez eu baixe o eclipse que ele tá usando, porque eu não tô conseguindo achar as coisas que ele tá mostrando no IntelliJ. Então, muito obrigado por ter comparado até aqui. Obrigado. Até a próxima live.